So you just received your interview notification for your immigration interview, and you're probably feeling excited and then also nervous. And typically, the number one thing that couples ask me is, what should I do next? What are the mistakes that I should avoid making? And the number one mistake to avoid making when it comes to your immigration interview is failing to prepare. Failure to prepare for your interview and being ready to answer really important questions about your immigration history and relationship can result in a denial in your case, which you have waited so much time and you both want to be together and you don't want that to happen. So please don't make this mistake of failing to prepare for your interview. And I know you're probably thinking, of course I'm going to prepare. I'll have all my documents around and I have a real relationship. We love each other. We have nothing to hide. And that's great. I believe you. And I'm sure you'll have all your documents organized. But when I'm talking about preparing for your interview, I mean real intentional preparation. This isn't like having conversations with friends and family about how much you love each other. This is an immigration interview. A government officer is going to be on the other side of the desk asking you questions about your immigration history and your relationship. It can be intimidating and overwhelming, and it's a lot of very important questions that you want to make sure you're answering honestly and correctly. And I prepare all of my clients for their interview by doing a pretend mock interview with them. And I pretend to be an immigration officer and ask them questions. And even for couples who've been together for years and know each other well, I have at least one question that catches them off guard. And the reason is exactly this. That's why we prepare. That's why we do the mock interview, is that you're going in front of an immigration officer and it's an intimidating day. So how do you prepare? Well, the first thing you should do is go through the applications that you've submitted. Go through all of those details. Refresh your recollection is what we call it as attorneys when we're preparing clients for interviews and hearings like this. Refresh your recollection by going through your application. Go through your relationship history, your relationship timeline, all of the relationship evidence that you submitted, and all of the evidence that you'll be taking with you to your interview.